Hi everyone, I'm Eddie. Welcome back to KE Kitchen Cabinets. As an export-focused manufacturer, we understand that factory quality is what drives site efficiency. In this video, we'll introduce the AU-Tuckett Rd kitchen cabinet project supplied by KE Kitchen Cabinets. The project scope includes kitchen cabinets, laundry cabinets, and base cabinets for an Australian residential build. For this package, KE used E1 moisture-resistant particle board, MDF door panels, 2-pack lacquer shaker-style fronts, Blum soft closing hinges, and full extension soft closing drawer systems. The benchtop is specified as 20mm silica-free engineered stone with a marble-style finish, suitable for Australian project requirements. KE provides project cabinetry supply, shop drawing coordination, clear packing, and technical support to help the builder's local installation team work more efficiently on site. Before packing, our QC team brings the approved production drawings to the factory floor and checks the cabinets one by one. For this AU-Tuckett Rd project, we are not only checking the surface finish, we are checking whether each cabinet has been manufactured according to the confirmed drawings and project specifications. Our team measures the cabinet width, height, door positions, panel layout, and key openings. We also check the door gaps, panel alignment, and the relationship between adjoining cabinets. For tall cabinets and larger panels, we pay special attention to vertical alignment, straightness, and the matching position between doors, panels, and cabinet bodies. These details may look small in the factory, but they can affect the installation process on site if they are not checked properly before shipment. By completing this inspection before packing, KE helps builders reduce avoidable site issues, improve coordination with the local installation team, and keep the cabinetry package closer to the approved project drawings. This is factory QC before shipment. Practical checking, not just visual inspection. Next, our QC team uses a caliper to check the actual panel thickness, including cabinet panels, door panels, and finished edges. For project cabinetry, the specified thickness must match the approved drawings and material schedule before packing. This confirms that the cabinets are produced according to the project specification, not just visually checked from the outside. After checking the cabinet structure and panel thickness, our QC team moves on to the hardware inspection. For this AU-Tuckett Rd project, we check the drawer system, pull-out trash bin, Blum soft closing hinges, and handle positions before packing. Each drawer is opened and closed to review smooth movement, full extension travel, soft closing performance, front panel alignment, and runner stability. The pull-out trash bin is also tested to make sure it moves smoothly, has proper clearance, and works correctly after assembly. For cabinet doors, we check the Blum hinges door opening and closing movement, soft closing function, and door alignment. We also verify the handle hole positions and compare them with the actual handles, making sure the handle placement matches the approved drawings and project specification. For Australian builders, these checks help reduce adjustment work on site and support a smoother installation process by the builder's local installation team. After the dimension, structure, and hardware checks are completed, our QC team moves to finish confirmation. For this AU-Tuckett Rd project, we compare the production panels with the client-approved color samples before packing. This includes checking the gray lacquer finish, white cabinet fronts, wood grain panels, exposed end panels, and other visible surfaces. Our team reviews the color tone, surface finish, texture, and overall visual consistency to make sure the final products follow the approved project specification. For overseas projects, finish consistency is important. It helps reduce color-related issues after delivery and keeps the kitchen, laundry, and base cabinet package visually consistent on site. After the factory inspection is completed, the cabinetry package is prepared for packing and export delivery. For the AU-Tuckett Rd project, each carton is labeled clearly according to the project area, such as kitchen or laundry. The label includes the project name, cabinet number, cabinet description, size, quantity, and package number, so the builder's team can identify each item more easily after delivery. We also add handling marks such as fragile, keep dry, and this side up to support safer handling during transportation and site receiving. For overseas projects, Clear packing and labeling are not small details. They help reduce confusion when the goods arrive on site, make it easier to check items against the packing list, and support smoother coordination with the builder's local installation team. At KE Kitchen Cabinets, packing is part of our project supply process, not just the final step before shipment. After the cabinet inspection and packing review, we move to the benchtop inspection for the AU-Tuckett Rd project. The 20 mm silica-free engineered stone pieces are laid out in the workshop and checked against the project drawings. Our team reviews the overall layout, stone pieces, sink cutout position, edge condition, and marble-style surface before final packing. This helps make sure the benchtop package matches the approved project requirements before shipment. After all benchtop pieces are laid out, our team checks the color tone and marble-style veining against the approved stone finish reference. For this AU-Tuckett Rd project, the benchtop uses 20 mm silica-free engineered stone with a marble-style surface. We review the overall color consistency, visible veining, surface finish, and matching between different benchtop pieces before packing. This helps keep the final kitchen and laundry benchtop package consistent with the approved project specification. After checking the color and marble-style veining, our QC team measures the actual benchtop dimensions. For this project, we check the length, width, edge thickness, and cut-to-size details against the approved benchtop drawings. The 20 mm silica-free engineered stone is measured with both tape measure and caliper, depending on the checking point. This helps confirm that each benchtop piece is produced to the required size before packing and shipment. After confirming the benchtop dimensions, our QC team checks the visible front edges and sink cutout details. The front edge is reviewed for polishing quality, straightness, and overall finish, because this is one of the most visible parts after installation. We also carry out a sink trial fitting to check the cutout position, opening size, edge clearance, and alignment with the approved benchtop drawing. This helps confirm that the 304 stainless steel double bowl sink can match the prepared benchtop opening before final packing. From cabinetry inspection to benchtop checking, every step is completed before shipment to support better project coordination. For Australian builders, Factory QC helps reduce avoidable site issues and makes it easier for the local installation team to complete the cabinetry package on site. Special thanks to our client and project partners for their trust in KE Kitchen Cabinets. We also appreciate our factory, QC, packing, and logistics teams for their careful work on the AU-Tuckett Rd project. KE Kitchen Cabinets, factory-made project cabinetry for Australian builders. Send us your project drawings and finish requirements for your next cabinetry package.